When your Aura frame isn't displaying photos or working correctly, the problem usually comes from the app or Wi-Fi connection. Let's diagnose and fix these common issues. First, let's identify if your Aura frame is connected but not functioning properly. Let's start with app-related issues. The Aura app may freeze, crash, or fail to connect to your frame. First, force restart the Aura app completely. Then ensure you have the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure the Aura app has Bluetooth permissions. On Android devices, location services may also need to be enabled for proper functionality. For Android users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve many issues. However, remember this will reset your settings. Now let's address Wi-Fi connectivity issues. These are often the most common problems with Aura frames. Start by rebooting the Aura frame. Unplug the power cord from the back, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. Double-check that the Wi-Fi password entered in the Aura app is correct. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so capitalization matters. Ensure your router is broadcasting the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, as Aura frames typically connect to this frequency rather than 5 GHz. Additional tips include moving the frame closer to your router for a stronger signal, avoiding guest networks, and rebooting your router if connectivity issues persist. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most app and Wi-Fi related issues with your Aura frame. If problems persist, the issue may be power-related or require additional support. When your Aura frame won't turn on or keeps turning off, start by checking all power connections. Ensure the cable is securely connected to both the frame and the outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working properly. You can also use a multimeter to check if the outlet is providing the correct voltage. Inspect the power cable for any damage such as cuts, kinks, or exposed wires. If you find any damage, replace the cable immediately, as it can be a safety hazard. If you're using an extension cord, plug the Aura frame directly into the wall outlet. Extension cords can sometimes cause power issues. Also check the timer settings in your app. Review the timer settings in the Aura app to ensure the frame isn't set to turn off during certain hours. The frame might appear broken when it's actually just following a schedule. Try power cycling the frame by disconnecting the power cable from both the frame and the wall socket. Wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. This can resolve many temporary issues. As a last resort, perform a hard reset. Locate the reset pinhole on the back or bottom of the frame and use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. If issues persist, contact Aura customer support with your frame's serial number and detailed problem description. Also ensure new photos are added to your album and uploads aren't paused. Remember, if your frame is in demo mode displaying stock images, or if it's still under warranty, contact Aura customer care for assistance or a possible replacement.